Welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school.
Right, welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school. And today's topic is keeping clean. Let's subject EBS Standard 1. So let's begin. Before that, we just check our websites, Android Educational Game and Craft channel. And also you can follow us Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So let's continue keeping clean. Okay? So we should keep our body clean to stay healthy and fit. Okay, Bhavi?
Okay.
Yes. We will see some ways to keep ourselves clean. Okay? So in this video, we will see some ways to keep ourselves clean. Keep clean is good habit, right?
Yes.
And this good habit help us to stay fit. Okay, Bhavi? So you should follow the rules to keep yourself clean. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see that ways. So first one, what should we do? Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. See here, that boy is brushing his teeth. Let's see. What is another? Wash your hands properly with soap and sanitizer after use toilet. Okay?
Okay.
So you should properly wash your hands. What is next? Flush the toilet after use it. Okay? Whenever you use the toilet, don't forget to flush it. Okay? So it will clean the toilet. Okay? Next, take a bath every day. Bhavi, do you take a bath?
Yes.
Yes, good. So like this, take a bath every day. So when we take a bath, our body will clean. Okay? Comb your hair properly. See, that girl is combing her hair. Okay?
Yes.
So this habit also is a good habit to keep yourself neat and clean. Okay?
Okay.
Cut your nails timely and properly. Do not bite them. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. See, if you bite your nails, it is very bad habit.
Yes.
Throw your garbage only in the dustbin, not on the road. See, that girl is throwing garbage in the dustbin. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So it will help to keep our surrounding also clean.
Okay.
So just check summary what we have seen in this video. First, we should keep ourselves or our body clean. Okay?
Okay.
Next is we should follow good habits to stay fit. Right?
Yes.
Require sleep and good exercise keep us healthy. And
Yes.
healthy food help us to grow and keep us fit.
Yes.
So in this video we have learned these simple but very important things to keep ourselves and our surrounding clean. Okay? If you understand this video, then test time.
Yes.
Here we go. First,
Fill in the blanks.
fill in the blanks. First one is we should brush our teeth daily, once or twice.
Twice.
Right, it should be twice. Okay?
Okay.
Second one, we chew our food properly. Should or should not?
Should.
Should. Because if you chew it properly, then only it will digest properly. Next one, we should take a sleep about hours in a day. 6 hours or 8 hours?
8 hours.
8 hours, right. At least 8 hours we should take a sleep. The next one, make us strong and healthy. Speaking or exercise?
Exercise.
Right, exercise make us strong and healthy. Fifth one, we should early in the morning. Get up or get sleep?
Get up.
Right, we should get up early in the morning. Okay? Let's say another one. Right, true or false? And first question is we should play outdoor games. Is it true or false? We should only play outdoor games? No, we
false.
should play indoor games also. So it is false. We get milk from animals.
Yes, true.
True. We should not do exercise.
False.
False. We should do exercise daily. We should rest for about 8 hours every night.
True.
True. And last question, we should drink very less water.
False.
False. We should drink enough water. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button, comment it, and also share it. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.